Hello students. Today we will study the last topic of the forms and frames. Today we will study how to create some frames and how we represent a different HTML page in each frame. See here I have written the code HTML open head open. Now inside the head I have the open the title tag and the title I have set for the web page frame set. Now see with the help of the frame set tag we create the frames over the web page. Now the rows attribute divides the frame horizontally, divides the frame horizontally, and here on the web page I have divided a web page screen into two frames. Uh, the width of the one frame is 30% and the width of the other frame is 70%. And also we can use the column attribute to divide the screen uh, into vertical frames. So rows is used to divide the screens into horizontal frames. As you can see here that there is the two frames, one above the horizontal and the second also the horizontal at the bottom. So next, this frame set is a container tag. Its opening and closing is needed. See here the frame set I have closed and here frame set is open. Now element. Frame element is used to uh, yeah, here two frames we created. So here we use two frame tags. See 30%, 70%. Screen is divided into two frames. Now each frame element is used to represent the uh, HTML page, means HTML file on one frame. And the second frame is used to represent the frame 2 HTML file on the second frame. So, as we are executing this HTML file, it creates a web page. Similarly, these two different web pages will appear in two different frames at a single time. Okay. So, this frame1.html also I created. Let me show you this file of frame1.html. So, let me minimize it. Okay. Now, you can see here over the desktop, I have created one folder HTML. Here it is. Let me write the name HTML. The name of this folder HTML. Okay. Now in this folder I have put the three files. One is the b5.html and the second one is the frame1.html and the third one is the frame2.html. So this frame1 and frame2 will appear in the b5 web page in this HTML file in two different frames. So let me execute this frame1. Now see, when I execute the frame1, frame1.html is a web page whose background is red color and here I have written text, this is frame1. Okay, let me close it. So next is the second frame you see is also a web page HTML file. Now this is a web page of background green and here I have written the text, this is frame2. Now, now when I will execute this b5 HTML file, now see, this is divided, frame set tag divided the screen into two horizontal frames. This is 30% width and this is the 70% width. So this width we can change. But here now at the present time that frame1.html and frame2.html you are not seeing due to the old version of the this browser. So in the next class I will show you by updating my browser that how here in the first frame you will see the first HTML file frame1.html whose background color is red and the text is written this is frame1. Now in the second frame you will see the second HTML file frame2.html whose background color is green and the text I have written there this is frame2. Okay. So let me show here if you divide this by on the place of rows you will write columns. So it will divide the screen. Okay. Columns equals to. Okay. Now columns equals to. Now let me save it. After saving, if we refresh this web page, now see, just a minute, save it first. Now we have saved this columns equals to 30%, 70%. Now after that, let me close this and again we run this. Now open this B5 HTML file. Just a minute. Let me open this file first. Open in the notepad. Now see, the contents are changed or not. Here, rows only. Here it is nothing updated. That's why it is showing the problem. So here first is will make the changes. On the place of rows I have to write the columns. So it is not updating. Some virus came in the computer. So here we write the columns. COLS. This is columns. Not that we will save it. Okay. Now this is the columns. Now minimize it. Now this time execute it. Now you can see the screen is divided into two vertical frames with the help of the column attribute. This is 30%. You can see the width. This is the 70%. Okay. So with the help of the frame set tag and the frame element, we divide the screen frame into so many frames. Now also here, this frame also you can divide. Suppose this second vertical frame you can divide into the horizontal, two horizontal frame. So for that, what you have to do, just you open the notepad file here. Here is the second. This is the first vertical frame, and this is the second vertical frame. Now, in the second vertical frame, again after that you can write. After this, again you can use the frame set tag. So here, uh, suppose this. Just a minute. And after this, if we write the frame set, here we can write the frame set. See frame set. And after that, suppose you divide into the horizontally, so you can write the rows. You can write rows equals to, there you can write 20%, comma 80%. There we can write 80%. Okay. Frame set rows equals to 20% and 80%. And after that we will close it. Okay. Now after that we will close the frame set tag. Let me copy this. This we can paste it here. Now this frame set open and close. This is the first frame. Now this is the second frame is divided into two vertical. Now there you can there you can use this frame. We can represent one thing here and the other thing. So let me copy and paste, uh, cut and paste. So this we are going to represent this file. So in the first horizontal frame, this will be represented, this frame 2.html. After that another also we can write. Now after that we are going to save it. Okay. After that we are going to save it. Here is also the same thing. Two files are there. So there is two B5 file is open. So let me this one I have written here. This is frame set which I have written. Let me copy and write it there. This much again. Control plus C. Now we write in this one. So see here after this frame. In frame set, this is the vertical columns. Now in the vertical column, second vertical column, the second vertical frame will divide into two horizontal frame. There I am going to write Control V. Okay, now see. After that, this one. Let me erase this one. Okay. Now we save it. Okay. Now let me open this web page and refresh it. See. Yes, now you can see this second vertical frame is divided into two horizontal frame. One with is 20% and another is with is 80%. Like this we can divide each frame into different frames. Now after this, this first horizontal frame also we can divide it vertically into two or three frames. Okay. So this frame set tag is also used to create our profile also. There in the profile you can use your image and you can write your about the educational qualifications and other informations like your hobbies and address and your work experience. All things you can write in your profile. Okay. So this is all for today, students. In the next class, we will study the new lesson. That is the lesson 6. Cascading style sheet CSS. Okay, so this is all for today. Thank you for your kind attention.